Hey, it's Guangdong Chu here. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to learn to mix a song even if you don't know where to start, or you just want to learn it at your pacing, or you don't think you have that money to learn. So today, in this video, what I'm talking about is the 3 common questions from the people who want to learn to mix a song. So the question number 1 is you don't know where to start. You don't know where to start? Think about that. If you are hungry right now, you will go out and get some food, right? And if you are uncomfortable, you would like to relieve your headache, so you will go to see the doctor, right? But now you're telling me you would like to learn how to mix a song and you don't know where to start. Are you kidding me? So the next question is, you just want to learn at your pacing, with your schedule, with your timeline. I know it's way more comfortable if you can determine everything in your life, but did you know that people usually get lazy if there's no one give you some pressure? So sometimes what you really need is just a little bit more properly pressure, so it can really push you a little bit harder, a little bit further, and make you keep moving forward, so that you just can get closer and closer to your destination. And by the way, if you tell me you don't have time to learn, it's also a weird thing to me, because it's just like you're telling me you do really want to learn something, but you don't want to learn something. It's weird. So the last question is the most popular question forever is the price. Actually, I have no words on that, but I do believe that the money you cannot tap back after you pay for something is just what we call the cost. But if there is any value you can get back after you pay for something, that's called the invest. So the value is always over the money, and the invest is always over the cost. So I do believe that the price of any training or any education is always the invest, and you will get more back just because you've invested yourself first. So that's the only reason. Okay, so that's all today I have for you. If you would like to learn more about the musical production, mixing techniques, tips and tricks, or if you think this video is gonna help you, click the like button, share this video, comment below, show me your thoughts, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go to the www.strongtones.com, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.